Welcome to this journey into self-inquiry, inspired by the ancient practice of Jnana Yoga, the path of knowledge. Today we explore one of life's most profound questions. Who am I? So let's begin by settling into stillness and gently guiding the mind inward. So take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. And with each breath, let your body relax just a little more. Notice how the weight of your body feels against the surface you're seated on. This time is for you to explore the nature of your true self, free from the pressures and responsibilities of daily life. So as you breathe, imagine your awareness is withdrawing from the outside world. Feel yourself turning inward, moving away from the noise and busyness of the day. And slowly, everything around you begins to fade as your mind becomes quieter and your attention focuses entirely on your inner world. So allow your breath to guide you deeper into relaxation. Inhale deeply, feeling your body expand with air, and exhale gently, releasing any remaining tension. So breathe in and breathe out. Feel yourself sink more deeply into a calm and peaceful state. Now that your body and mind are still, begin to ask yourself the question, who am I? Let this question arise in your mind naturally, without the need to force an answer. Just sit with it for a moment. Who am I? Now at first, you might think of your name, your job, or your role in life. Perhaps you think of your relationships, your family, your friends, your role as a partner, or even a parent. But I encourage you now to move beyond these labels. Who are you? Who are you when you set aside the name given to you? Who are you beyond your profession or roles that you play? So take a deep breath, and with every exhale, gently set aside each of these identities. Imagine yourself peeling away the layers of labels, one by one. So let go of your name and let go of your profession. Let go of the roles you play in society. And with each exhale, feel these identities just fall away, leaving behind only the essence of who you truly are. So ask again, who am I? Beyond my name and role in this world, who am I? Now turn your attention to your body. Notice how your physical form feels. Your arms, your legs, your hands and your feet. Feel the sensations within your body, the warmth, the energy. But ask yourself this, am I just this body? Your body changes and ages, but something within you remains constant. Feel your body as a vessel, a temporary form, housing something much deeper, much more eternal. You are not just the body. Now bring your awareness to your thoughts. Notice the thoughts that come and go in your mind. The constant stream of memories, plans, worries, and dreams. But who is it that observes these thoughts? Are you the thoughts themselves? Or are you the one witnessing them? So as you reflect, notice on the stillness beneath the thoughts, the awareness that watches them without judgment. So ask yourself the question again. Who am I? Who am I beyond my thoughts? So allow yourself to move beyond even your emotions and mental patterns. You are not defined by your thoughts, nor by your feelings. These are passing experiences, but they do not define your essence. Take a deep breath in and let go of the need to identify with your emotions or thoughts that arise in your mind. The Atman, your true self, is something far more subtle, more constant. It is the witness, the observer behind all experiences. While the body changes, the thoughts shift, and emotions come and go, the Atman remains the same. It is the stillness that resides at the core of your being. So allow yourself to rest in this awareness. Feel the peace that comes with knowing that you're not the fleeting experiences of your body and mind. You are the eternal soul, connected to something much greater, much more expansive than your individual identity. You are connected to Brahman, the universal consciousness which flows through all things. So sit with this understanding for a few moments. Feel the deep sense of peace that arises from recognizing your true nature. You are the witness, the consciousness, the unchanging presence that observes all of life's fluctuations without being affected by them. So as you continue to sit in this awareness, notice how the sense of separation between yourself and the world begins to dissolve. In this space of quiet contemplation, feel the boundaries of your individual identity blur and soften. The distinction between you and the world around you fades. Reflect on the Upanishad's wisdom, that thou art. You are not separate from the world. You are part of the infinite fabric of existence. Feel how your essence, your Atman, is connected to the universal consciousness that pervades all things. In this moment, you are not limited by the physical body, nor by the mind's constructs. You are something much more vast, much more eternal. You are Brahman, the supreme reality that lies beneath all appearances and forms. So sit in this truth. Rest in the knowledge that you are both the individual and the universal, the drop of water and the entire ocean. You are infinite. Now sit with the awareness of your connection to Brahman, the infinite, unchanging reality that lies at the heart of all things. There is nothing more to do. Simply be. Feel the stillness, the peace, and the clarity that arises from this realization. You are the eternal observer, the consciousness that watches over all experiences without being affected by them. So rest in this truth. when you feel ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you inhale and exhale. Although this meditation is coming to a close, the awareness of your true nature remains with you. You are not just the body, not just the mind. You are the Atman, the eternal soul, connected to Brahman, the infinite consciousness that pervades all things. Now slowly begin to bring movement back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders, and gently open your eyes when you're ready. Now, as you move through your day, carry with you the deep knowledge of who you truly are. An eternal soul, connected to the infinite. Good work today, and namaste.